Happy hump day, guys, and welcome to your Wednesday morning market brief. Well, it was the RBA that stole the show on Tuesday. They raised the official cash rate by 0.5% to 2.35%, and the Aussie dollar has sunk. The ASX, well, the Asian markets actually finished higher on Tuesday, but on Wednesday in the United States, what we saw once again was the market was worried about what's happening with regarding the economy so robust and strong. The latest ISM Manufacturing data came out, was much better than the market expected, and therefore traders on Wall Street turned the Dow Jones around, turned the S&P around, turned the Nasdaq around, that were quite sharply higher in the morning trading session and sent them back lower. Only traded down about 0.5%, but nevertheless, every single time we see something that shows the US economy is strong, the market is selling off because the market is expecting the Fed is going to keep raising interest rates. And the RBA, they said they're going to keep raising interest rates as well. So I expect now a 0.25% increase in October and November before a pause in December. I think the RBA wants to get rates to 3%. The US Fed wants to get them to at least 4% before the end of the year. Now, what were the big movers on Tuesday? Was the US 10-year Treasury yield up to 3.3%. That's the reason why the Aussie dollar has sunk now to just above 67 cents. I suspect that if that 10-year Treasury yield continues to climb, the Aussie dollar is going to continue to fall. Oil is trading at 86.77. I mean, the good news is out of all of this, I know it's not nice to get up on a consistent basis through September, which I have been warning is the worst month for share prices in a calendar year as a historical perspective. Inflation is coming down, guys. Oil prices are going down. Prices across the board in virtually every sector is going down. So therefore, inflation is going to go down in coming months ahead, and share prices will ultimately go back higher. If you continue to look short term, if you continue to just simply look at prices on a day-to-day basis and not focus on the companies you own, you can get sidetracked and a little frustrated. But right now, inflation is coming down. That's essentially what's happened through the Tuesday trading session. I hope you have a great Wednesday. Of course, those of you, my clients, don't forget our live training tonight.